Hey guys, so for Reader's Workshop today, we are going to read about a boy who invented the popsicle. And I know that I love a popsicle on a hot summer day, and you probably do too. So let's read about how they were invented. So the title of this article is Being Forgetful Can Be a Good Thing. Sweat drips from your forehead and runs down your cheek. Your clothes are sticking to you with every step you take. You'd give anything to cool off. That's when you remember. There's ice-cold popsicles in the freezer. Have you ever had a frozen treat to cool you down? What if I told you that the popsicle was invented by a kid not much older than you? It's true. Frank Epperson, an 11-year-old kid, shared his cool idea with the world. We are grateful that Frank did. Frank lived in the San Francisco Bay Area back in 1905. After mixing some sugary soda powder and water together, Frank forgot about it and left the mixture sitting out overnight. Well, it happened to be a cold night. And what happens to water when it gets very cold? Yes, it freezes. So Frank wakes the next morning to find the frozen concoction stuck to the wooden spoon he had used for stirring. Frank grabbed it up and began licking it. Then he devised the name of this tasty treat and called it an Epsicle, which was a combination of two letters of Frank's last name and the word icicle. Starting with selling the Epsicle in his neighborhood, Frank had great success, and in 1923, he took his sales to a nearby amusement park. People devoured his Epsicles. This led Frank to pursue a patent for his invention. A patent is paper proof that you invented something so that no one can steal your idea and make money from it without your permission. He obtained a patent in 1924. By this time, Frank had children of his own, and they urged him to change the name of his perfect ice pop to the Popsicle or Popsicle. So he did. Unfortunately, later in the 1920s, after falling on hard times and being broke, Frank sold the rights to his invention to a large company. Frank regretted it the rest of his life. Frank's accidental invention still lives on today, though, and each year about 2 billion popsicles are sold around the world. So let's see if you can answer some questions. I'm just giving you 5 questions today. Number 1, why did Frank's mixture freeze? A, he put the mixture in the freezer before he went to bed. B, he forgot and left the mixture out on a cold night. Or C, he left a wooden spoon in the mixture. Number 2, why is a patent important to an inventor? A patent proves the inventor created the invention. B, a patent keeps others from being able to steal an inventor's idea. Or C, both A and B are correct. Number 3, how many years passed after Frank invented the popsicle to when he got his patent? Show your math, so you're going to have to go back in the article and look for those years. Which statement is a fact? Remember, a fact is something that is true and can be proven. A, Frank was lazy for not getting his patent sooner. B, Frank invented the popsicle by accident. Or C, Frank invented the best treat in the world. Number 5, how did Frank's children affect his invention? A, his children came up with a new name for it. B, his children helped think of new flavors of popsicles. Or C, his children told Frank to sell popsicles at the amusement park. So I want you to go ahead and answer those 5 questions today. It's pretty cool to think about our popsicles being invented by a kid not much older than you. And invented by accident is even much more of a fun way to invent something. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed reading about Frank Epperson, and your Reader's Workshop went well today.